Acuity Brands Lighting makes commercial and industrial lighting. We have manufacturing and distribution facilities around North America. And in fiscal year 2006, we were a $2.4 billion company. Because we rely on computer systems to run our business, any kind of downtime could be a big issue. This whole warehouse could come to a grinding halt. The biggest reason we went to virtualization is we had around 200 servers, and when you looked at the utilization of them, the vast majority of them were 10 to 15% used. It took up to 2 to 3 weeks to procure and build a server and turn it over to the end user. With virtualization now, we can do the same thing in 2 to 3 hours. We now have 4 physical servers running 102 virtual machines.
Description is management software for Dell systems.
When Dell services came out to Acuity Brands Lighting, they provided the expertise and the roadmap and design on how our systems should actually be implemented. And they also provided us with the contacts and also brought some partners such as VMware out on site to help us design our systems for future growth.
Probably the biggest new practices is we actually have operating system standardization, whereas before, if you had 3 different people installing systems, they each had their own little spin.
We chose the Dell EMC SAN storage solution because we've had a long partnership with Dell, and we've checked out a lot of their competitors, but for the price, performance of the systems, and definitely their superior support, we just feel that their services can't be matched bar none. It's good to have one single point of contact through our hardware vendors.
The advice I'd give as far as approaching virtualization would be to go slowly initially. You want to get your software architects and your hardware architects on board. Let them understand the benefits of virtualization before you try and push it out to the masses. Another piece of advice I would give is to rely on someone like Dell to partner with you when implementing virtualization, because they have experience doing it, they have their own best practices defined, and they have access to vendors that you probably don't know about. We're very satisfied with Dell. We've had a long relationship with them. We've tried to adopt what we call the narrow and deep philosophy, where we have a few vendors, but we try and use their whole set of products and services. And we do that with Dell because they understand our environment intimately and are able to present us with solutions that are applicable rather than just taking a stab in the dark.